Good morning, students. In class 8, we were discussing reported speech. So today we will continue the interrogative sentences formation of. How? Let's see. So, interrogative cases. Do na. So, I told you in cases of do या helping verb अगर बाहर दी है, then we convert that to comma inverted comma to if or whether. इसको नॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे फिर यू सेकंड पर्सन हिज ब्रदर मेल ही टेंसेस हैज हैव विल कन्वर्ट इनटू हैड क्लियर हुआ मीन्स आपको क्या करना है यहाँ पर हैज हैव मीन्स जो हमने हेल्पिंग वर्ब बाहर ली हुई है आप उसको नॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस में कन्वर्ट करोगे मीन्स इंटरोगेटिव विल कन्वर्ट इनटू अफर्मेटिव वही मैंने किया बट टेंसेस को आप चेंज करोगे मीन्स हैज हैव विल कन्वर्ट इनटू हैड आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ना तो हैज हैव को हैड में चेंज करते हैं so set to I told you it's an formation of interrogative so we will convert set to into asked all right plus comma inverted comma in the case of comma inverted commas we will consider as like by fine they third person now so it will not change ismr will convert into was verb this will convert into that means my teacher asked the students why they were shouting in that class let's take one more example he said to Meera when did she purchase these books So it's interrogative cases. In this cases, you have to convert said to into asked. When did, simple past. I told you if you are having said to in reporting verb, so it will convert into past perfect, right? So did will convert into had, and she third person, and we will not do any changes in third person. And purchase will convert into purchased. These will convert into those. Clear? So let's start the exercise B on page number 134. The teacher said to the girl, "Why are you late?" Interrogative formation, I told you earlier. So said to will convert into asked. The teacher asked the girl. Why are you late? Comma, inverted comma, we will consider why as it is. Ismr will convert into was verb, and you second person na. So second person we will consider girl. The pronoun of the girl is she. That means why she was late. Second, I said to the student, "Did you win any prize last year?" Again, interrogative formation. So said to will convert into asked. I asked the student. If he had won any prize the previous year. Third one. He said, "Where can I get an admission form?" He said means interrogative formation also. So he asked. Can will convert into good. I thought told you shall, should, can, could, may, might. Fine. Who invented the steam engine? Asked the examiner. The examiner asked who invented the steam engine. He said to his brother, why did you scold me in the presence of my friends? So interrogative cases now. So he asked his brother why. Did will convert into had. You brother ना, तो brother का pronoun he है, तो why he had scolded him. Scolded him in the presence of his friends. In the presence of his friends. Fine, that means we have to convert said to into asked because we are having interrogative. Fine. And secondly, in the cases of why, we have to consider same as it is. And did you scold? Did will convert into had, you will convert into he, and me, first person. That means the pronoun of me will be same as the pronoun of, that means him. Okay. 6. Rohan said to me, why do you? Rohan asked me. Rohan asked me why I looked so sad. And gloomy that day. Because today will convert into that day, as I told you, na. And if there was anything, is ever will convert into was were. Troubling me, and if he could, do anything for me. Seventh, the teacher said to us, don't you know that the headmaster is angry with you? So interrogative cases, the teacher asked us. If we knew that the headmaster was angry with us. The teacher said to the boys, have you been reading today or not? The teacher asked the boys, if they had been reading. Today will convert into that day or not. That means has will convert into had, you, second pronoun, second person will convert into the object of reporting verb, that is boys. Boys के लिए we will use they. Reading as it is. Today will convert into that day. Fine. So as simple as that. So in upcoming lecture we will continue the topic. Fine. Thank you so much.